So I want to make a self-covered button, and I'm using the Hemline self-covered buttons and the button tool to go with it. These are 19mm, so you can see I've got some here. On the reverse of the packaging you'll see that you've got a guide then as to what size circle to cut for what size button. So on this one that I've already used, I'm going to just start by taking a button off. And there's two pieces to it, and then on the packaging I've cut out the circle for the 19mm, and I've mislaid that obviously, so actually I'm just going to use the hole, and I'm going to draw around that, and it really is only rough, and I'm going to cut that out. Not entirely accurately, as you can see. There we go. And I'm going to go to my button tool. So on the back it says 19mm, which is there, and that's the one I want to use, which is the central one. So I'm going to lay my fabric wrong side upwards in the hole, and then I'm going to put the button back inside. Now the Hemline ones, before I do, these are really great because they've got this sort of jagged edge which sort of grabs your fabric. So push that in, push your fabric over. Now you might find it easier to, I'm using a little bone folder here, it's not entirely necessary, but it does help the fabric get, can you see the fabric's being grabbed by those little teeth? So I'm just going to make sure it's neat and tidy, as much as possible. And then with my button back here, there's one side has a large groove and the other side doesn't. So the large groove pointing upwards, place that on top of your button, get the plunger thing and push it on until it clicks, and then from the other side you can just push your button out, and there you go, you've got a beautiful self-covered button.
If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe.